There are lots of videos about guns and how do they work. So in this video, I will explain everything about bullets. So today, we will learn why bullets travel in spiral path rather than going straight, what are the different kinds of bullets, what are the different parts of bullets, how does a bullet fire from a gun, and how it's different from rocket launchers. And finally, which bullet is the deadliest bullet so far. So first thing first, why does bullet travel in spiral paths? Gun barrels have spiraling grooves cut into them that make bullets spin around very fast as they emerge. A spinning bullet is like a gyroscope. If you try to tilt a gyroscope while it's spinning, it will try to resist whatever force you apply. This is why when things are spinning, they are very hard to deflect from their path. A bullet behaves in exactly the same way. Once it's spinning, it follows a straighter path as it goes through the air, so it's harder to deflect and much more likely to reach its target. We think of bullets flying in perfectly straight lines, but nothing could be further from the truth. Several different forces act on a bullet as it goes through the air. Over very short distances, bullets do follow more or less a straight line. Over longer distances, they follow a slight downward curve because gravity tugs them towards the ground as they go along. Now there are different types of bullets available in the market, ranging from different caliber size, different armor types, and the level of damage it can do. Flat tail and boat tail are the common bullets used by most firearms. Let us see some of them. A boat tail bullet is tapered towards the base, narrowing slightly as the bullet reaches the base. This shape resembles the stern of a boat, which narrows slightly towards the back, hence the name boat tail. The main advantage of using a bullet is increased accuracy, or more accurately, increased wind resistance. A soft point bullet, also known as soft-nosed bullet, is a jacketed expanding bullet with a soft metal core enclosed by a stronger metal jacket left open at the forward tip. A soft point bullet is intended to expand upon striking flesh to cause a wound diameter greater than the bullet diameter. Armor-piercing ammunition is a type of projectile designed to penetrate either body armor or vehicle armor. Armor-piercing rounds smaller than 20 mm are intended for light armor targets such as body armor, bulletproof glass, and light armor vehicles. When people talk about a bullet in everyday language, they often mean a cartridge, which is the three-part vehicle with the bullet mounted on the very end. The cartridge is the thing you load into the rifle. The bullet is the part of the cartridge that fires out. Cartridges are built like fireworks, and they are arranged in three sections: the primer, the propellant, and the bullet proper. At the back, the primer or the percussion cap is like the fuse of a firework, a small fire that starts a bigger one. The next section of the cartridge, effectively the bullet's main engine, is a chemical explosive called the propellant. Its job is to power the bullet down the gun and through the air to the target. The front part of the cartridge is the actual bullet, a tapering metal cylinder that hits the target at high speeds. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave a like. Bullet cartridges are designed to be relatively safe until the moment you fire them. When you pull the trigger of a gun, a spring mechanism hammers a metal firing pin into the back end of the cartridge, igniting the small explosive charge in the primer. The primer then ignites the propellant. As the propellant chemicals burn, they generate lots of gas very quickly. The sudden high pressure of the gas splits the bullet from the end of the cartridge, forcing it down in the gun barrel at extremely high speed. Due to the high speed, there is an equal and opposite force in the opposite direction, and so the gun jerks back. Unlike a conventional weapon, the rocket launchers doesn't jerk back when fired. It's open at the back, so the explosive blast escapes from the rear of the gun, eliminating the unusual recoil. You can clearly see the heat of the explosive charge exploding from the front and the blast simultaneously shooting out from the rear. The gunner barely moves at all. A moving object has momentum, which is the product of its mass and its velocity. The faster something moves and the heavier it is, the more momentum it has. Even though bullets are tiny, they have lots of momentum because they go so fast. Bullets do damage when they transfer their energy to the things they hit. The faster something loses its momentum, the more force it produces. Now let us see the most deadliest bullet so far. It's called the RIP, radically invasive projectile. The RIP bullet is a solid copper and lead free. It consists of a round base slug connected to 6 to 8 trocars, depending on the caliber of the bullet, which are in turn joined side by side to form a ring of pointed copper segments surrounding a hollow cavity centrally. After hitting the target, the pointed trocars get separated, tearing apart anything that comes in their way, which further does more damage to the specimen. Here is the demonstration of RIP bullet.